How is this? How is this with the no hair? I don't recognize. Daddy. Daddy, I don't recognize that person.
Who is that?
That one, who is this?
That's Uncle Peter.
He looks like
You don't know Uncle Peter?
He looks like somebody else.
Muriel, you're so old already. You can't remember Uncle Peter.
Nandas ang auntie mo na.
Oh, is that Auntie Mona?
How about that one?
That's the elder sister of Daddy.
How about that? Oh, she looks familiar in the pictures that you have.
She's why is she colored? She's supposed to be black and white.
I don't know. How about this
Look,
one?
it's colored here. In the picture, she's black and white.
Looks like Daddy's boyfriend.
So Daddy doesn't have a boyfriend. What's wrong with you?
What's a YouTube?
That's Uncle Carl. He's very rich.
Uncle Carl. Sorry ba yung YouTube?
Uncle Carl, please buy me a fast car.
Why are they covering their heads, Daddy?
Maybe they don't have a face.
They don't have face recognition. They are aliens.
Look at the hand. It looks like a hand of the gorilla.
I saw the face, Daddy. Do it again.
That's enough, Muriel. Get up.
Bye.